Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in to Novobanco Portugal online banking. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log into Novobanco Portugal online banking, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then in the search bar typing in Novobanco Portugal login. Then once the search result loads, simply tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Then once inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on the menu icon on the bottom right, and here finding the login option. And once you tap on login, you'll see options such as particular list or employee list, which is personal and business respectively. Select the correct one and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. You will need your username or user number. This is your MB Online user ID given by the bank, also sometimes called NIB or Day Client. Then next is your access password. Type your online banking password and make sure your caps lock is off. Then once that's done, Novobanco sends a one-time password SMS code to your registered mobile number. Simply enter the 6-digit code in the box. Then after OTP verification, your Novobanco online banking dashboard will open and you can now check account balance, make transfers, national and SEPA, and pay bills and view account movements and manage cards and download statements. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.